No, milk. They one we just eating. We got mango tree, sugar cane, coconut tree, banana. Oh, we got a plant around there somewhere. We left. We put the spear on. The spear is flat. Shalom, what it is, people, we back with another one. As you can see from the view, you know where we are. Y'all just said, right? I know y'all probably saying, he always going to Jamaica. Hey, this is home. So I'm here, I'm waiting on my ride right now, JC Village. Make sure y'all go check out JC Village. Yeah, that's what we're doing, y'all. We're back with another one. Stay tuned, it's gonna be a beautiful day. We ain't even gonna say crazy, it's gonna be a beautiful day. We're currently at the airport, you see it? Trying to see if there's no, oh, yeah, check out the glasses now. I got you the Meta. I got some views for y'all too, look at it. Got some views for y'all with the Meta. Hold on, is this my right? All right.
Jerk one, and some end jerks on chicken.
Hot boy, man.
No jerk man, then I place it.
All right, people, we're back again. JC Villa, spending one night here, then going to Kingston, spend 2 nights up there. It's a tour. This one's gonna be a tour, so stay tuned. Make sure you tap in. We got a couple videos to drop. We're gonna do a whole tour of JC Villa. What we got? These are just a few of the. Doing some work, right? I don't know if y'all remember this, but it's turning into a room. All right, Jenna. Oh, okay. So it make 2. So there's 2 rooms. What's the bathroom?
Bathroom gonna be here.
Okay. And this is a
bedroom.
Okay.
Yeah. So right. This is 8 by 11 room. 8 by 13.
Okay.
So you just chop out there so I put
the window right there. Put up the drywall.
Yeah. But take out this bigger AC, put over there, put a smaller one here.
Okay. Hey, we working.
Yeah, man.
We working.
So this area now gonna be mine. This area. That one gonna rent.
So you're gonna put another door right here. Hold up, this room gonna be yours?
No, it's gonna be mine also. This will never rent. So this is my bedroom and this area gonna be mine. So this
okay.
Is
oh, so you have, okay, cause you have 100 kids, so. Oh, so onto this room. This a room they rent?
No, yeah, that's gonna be
that?
Airbnb. It already is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so this is my area here.
With 100 kids.
Yeah. So like when nobody will come guest house, remember me I have 1, 2, 3.
This is a lifestyle moment. All right, y'all. So, one thing about when you come to the island, man, you gotta adjust to driving on the other side of the road. Like I literally just got in the car. I don't have to super adjust, but I still have to adjust. But we out here, man. We in Montego Bay. Some people call it Montego Bay. But I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Yeah, man. I'm about to go. I'm about to drive to Negril right now. Go pick up my cousin, Keegan's Kitchen. Y'all know him. He came down yesterday, so I'm about to drive over there, go pick him up. You know? And we gonna. Hey, I'm telling y'all, stay tuned. This gonna be the one, cause we in tourist mode. We ain't in we live here mode. Oh, look at that building. That's the it's supposed to be like some fancy building. I think condos or something. It's gonna be big though. Now selling. Somebody told me the price. Hold up. I gotta get some gas. Let me go get some gas. Oh man, but yeah. Y'all stay tuned. It's just day one. We really gonna be showing y'all some stuff, man. We're gonna show y'all what's really going on. We're gonna go in tourist mode, test out some new places, eat some food, stuff like that. You know? That's what we're doing. Go get some gas, y'all. All right, I just filled up with gas, 10,000. So that's like the equivalent to US is like $70, something like that. Like $70, guys. Mm-hmm. Exactly. We here. We got the chef over here, Chef Keegan. Go check him out. Keegan's Kitchen on YouTube. Yeah, we about to go eat some food because I'm hungry right now.
What about eat? Oxtail?
No. You know I don't eat none of that. I don't eat none of that. All I know, I'm hungry. How you doing? Whoa, Miss D. What the goes is on?
Welcome to Negril, man. Welcome to Negril.
Man. Show y'all something. It's beautiful out there, right? I'm ready to eat, people. This man over here, feel me? I'm ready to eat right now.
Eventually, the housekeeper come and then I'm not going to catch like content in your room.
Oh, should leave early? Oh, yeah, that's it. Let's go find out. Okay. Oh, then go come? Okay.
Give y'all a view, man. The view is beautiful. Look at that. Crazy. Let me see what this room. You guys, they was already staying here, so we're gonna give a disclaimer.
Yeah. Why not? Turn lights to the left.
No, it's not.
To the right, sir.
Oh,
No, this is outside.
Outside. Okay.
there's more lights in it.
Okay.
Yeah, there is.
That was already.
Kitchen lights.
The bed.
This is the kitchen?
Yeah, nice little.
Nice
we don't
little
cook
kitchen.
while we're here, though.
You're right. You know, the chef would get a kitchen. What's this? Sink?
Yeah,
Oh, they-
for the cutting board.
Yeah, for the cutting board. That's smart. That's actually smart.
Lift it up. That's a nice thing. Lift it up all the way. Look at it. It's a nice thing.
It's smart right here.
Nice.
And the fridge at the
And they have the hot plate that comes with it.
All right. Okay, the little fridge. Okay. What is the resort called? Travelers what?
Travelers Beach Resort.
Travelers Beach Resort. Big up yourself, Traveler.
Negril, Jamaica. You don't know? Yeah.
I already know he ain't use this because he don't really bathe like that. So
You already know. Yeah.
it's nice and decent. I like it. I like it.
black thing. I did them.
Yeah, be careful with the music on the car.
No, no. It's hot.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Yeah. Thank you. Day one we just eating. Right. Sorry. Festival this is what I wanted. Hold up, y'all. Curry cone. I already started eating it. I'm headed to country. That's what we call it. We got country. It's my house, my dad's house. My cousin tricked me. He tricked me. He told me he was coming with me. He told me, come in the grill and come pick him up. He's gonna come with me. All of a sudden, he's not coming. I could have been chilling, man. I got another 30-minute drive. It's all good, though. Got more content for y'all, baby. People, peep the scenery. Stop playing. It's my backyard. Aki tree, Jamaica national fruit. Let me see if I can get it through here. Mango tree, sugar cane, coconut tree, banana. Oh, we got plant around there somewhere. Orange tree. We got everything back here. And we can eat here. We can eat. Yeah. Believe it or not, all this is our land. It look like bush, but it's not. Land go way back over there. And we got plenty more. I think I'm gonna do a tour sometime this week while I'm down here. Just to see all of the land. Cause you know I can live in America. I don't really know where everything's at. Y'all know. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot, y'all. Hey, by the way, we at my pop's house. Day one is going well. Let me show you day one. Let me show you what happened already. Let me show y'all what's going on. We just came out the road. Right? Look at that. His tire just bust. Boom. Thank God we wasn't even driving. We was on a little hill. It's a little rock, I guess. I don't know what it was. Then we put... Nope. Then we put the spare. All right. Then we left. We put the spear on. The spear is flat. It's not bad luck. Nah, that's God slowing us down. Because if we would have kept driving out the road, something probably else would have happened. So God said, nah, that's not for you. So, we chilling. How you feeling, sir?
Good. Tired.
How you feeling? Look, this is the spear.
But the spear got a flat also.
Most High said, we're not done with you yet. Wait. Be still. Right? Everything's for a reason. There's a purpose behind it. Now we're waiting to get a pump. You know, we in rural area. So nothing is not just right out the road, but everybody got a little bit of something at their house. They can fix a little bit of something. That's what I love about this area. Big money. People, it's the new chef on the block. YouTube coming soon. What name of your channel again? Don't worry, we're gonna give you a name. Drop down in the comments. He a big chef. Drop down in the comments what you want his new channel to be named.
Alrighty.
Blocks we call him, you know, so. That's all I got. People, as you can see, day one is done. It's currently raining right now. My view is beautiful. Day one, it's another day. It's not day one, but I'm just ending it for you, right? Day one was a beautiful day, man. There's a lot of activities, as you can see. Got a flat tire. My cousin scammed me into driving all the way in Negril. But that's day one. I'm telling you. I can tell you what day this is, but stay tuned. It's a lot of excitement coming. I'm gonna drop this in like series. I'm dropping my whole trip. I'm vlogging the whole trip. This whole trip is really about a vlog. This whole trip I'm vlogging, man. I'm really here in Jamaica for my grandmother's memorial. We're fixing up her grave. I don't know if you're aware of that, but a lot of people on my side of it, I'm not gonna say a lot of people. We put the grave on our property because we have a lot of property. So we have a certain part of our land where we bury our family members. So that's what it is. But just stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. It's your boy Landon. I am the man. Subscribe, like, and share all that good stuff. You know what it is.